Hey guys, my name is Pradunil Gayan and today I am going to give you an introduction to the Scratch programming, and it is the part 2 of the video. And if you have not watched the part 1 of the video, please check the part 1 of the video, else you would not be understanding anything of the second part. So please like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel for one boss for more programming and coding videos like this. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. So in the first part we discussed about the motion blocks, right? I told you about all the motion blocks, and today I will be giving you an introduction to the looks block. Okay. Now at first only I will start with the say hello for 2 seconds. So let's check it. So say hello means it will tell something for a specified time or seconds. Say hello. You can also edit it and you can say hi for 2 seconds and you can edit it and do it 1 second. Now let's press on the green flag button. See, it told hi, and after 1 second it closed its message, right? So 1 second. Now it is done. Now say hello. Say hello or say anything means it will tell the thing forever, and you saw that say hello for 2 seconds it told, and then after 2 seconds it removed the message there. But in this say hello it will not remove it, it will be there for forever. So let's check it that am I true or am I wrong. See, it will be there for forever and you cannot change it until you remove the say and say block, and then again click the green flag button. Now think for 2 seconds. Think means it will think something. See, thinking and telling will be the same thing, but the text box format will be changed. And see, while snowing this type of circles you can see, right? And in the think also you will be same. You can do the same things in the home. In the home you can edit it and say what can I do now, and you can also do many more things. See, it has come and after 2 seconds it will go. And in the think also it will the same thing. It will be remaining in the area forever. See, how are you? See, it will remain here forever. Now show and hide means it will show and hide when the green flag button is clicked. The cat will show, and when the hide button is clicked the cat will hide. And if you want to show it again, show, or else we can do another thing, that press on the eye and the show checkbox, you can check it or uncheck it. Now let's discuss the switch costume, and in the costumes you can see that it is the next costume. So let's check switch costume to costume 2. You change the costume, and if we want to change it to the costume 1, costume 1, done. Now let's next costume means switch costume. Suppose there are 5 costumes and the cat is in the first costume and you want it to switch the 4th costume. So in this case the switch costume block is used, and next costume means you are in the first costume and there are 5 costumes. If you place the next costume, then it will go to the 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, now let's check. See, next costume means it will forever change the costumes until we remove the block. Then switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Let's change the backdrop. It is the backdrop 1 and another backdrop. You can select any backdrop. I am taking it for your understanding only, but you can also edit the backdrops. See, now we are in the white backdrop. Let's check the program. Switch backdrop to the backdrop bedroom 2. The name of the backdrop is bedroom 2. See, it is the bedroom 2. Now let's check it, that will run. See, it has come. Now let's check the change color effect by 25. It will change its color effect by 25. See, it is used with the forever block, and if we place the forever, it will forever change the color, and if we don't use the forever block, it will change just once. See, now there are many more effects: color effect, fisheye effect. See, there are lots of effects. Lots of effects are there. World, pixelate, mosaic, brightness. I cannot explain you that because there are lots of effects. Ghost effect also. In the ghost effect, it will start fading in. Now let's drag it down, and then set color effect to 0. Means it will set the graphic effect to a number, specified number, or anything number you can do it, and change color effect by 25, and it will change, and you set the color effect to 100. And if you want the change color effect, then you have to press it 5 times, but no, 4 times, sorry. And the set color effect, if it will set the effect just in one time only. Now clear graphic effects means the change color effect and the set color effects are known as the graphic effects. And if we place the clear graphic effects block, it will change, it will remove the graphic effects. See, the ghost effect is gone now. So change size by 10. The size option, what can I tell you, it will change its size, and if we want to reduce it, then we can use a negative block. Now it will reduce the size. And set size, you can also use the set size block to set a size to a number 100. I will keep it 120. So it is 1020. I kept it 120. See, it is done. Now go to front. What can I tell you about go to front? See, the backdrop is here. The backdrop is here. Now let's do one thing, sprite one. If we do the go to back one layers, it will show, but it will go to the back of the backdrop, and it will not be seen. Let's check it. Go back one layers. We can also go to back 2 layers, and it is 1 layer only, and it will hide. And I can tell you because, and if it is in the back layer, then, and if you place the front layer, go to front, then it will go to the topmost layer, that is the front layer. Done. Now I can show you one thing. Let's drag a sprite. You need to take a sprite that is much larger in size, and it will cover the whole backdrop. Let me cut it and then show you. Okay, now let's check the costume number and the backdrop name. Costume number should be used with the forever and if then. If now let's check the operators. If equal to, if we need the equal to block. If the costume number is equal to 2, then say hello for 2 seconds. And now if, then we need a if block, another if block also. If key space pressed, switch costume to the costume 2. Now let's check it. See, we press the space key, it changed the costume to the costume 2, and while the costume number is 2, it said the hello. It said hello. Now the backdrop name is also the same. If backdrop name is equal to backdrop 1, as one of our backdrop names is backdrop 1, if the backdrop name is backdrop 1, then say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, now if key space pressed, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Let's check it. See, when the backdrop was the white, it told the hello. Okay, now the size is something, the size is if the size is 20, then it will say hello. Now let's check its size. Oh, I will be seeing the size. Its size is 120. Now if key space is pressed, change size by -10, or I can keep it -50 to reduce the to -40 to reduce the time. Let's check it. See, it changed the size, and I will recommend you to take the -10 only. So let's set the size to 120, and while the size will be 20, see the size is 20 and it said hello. While the size is 20, it said the hello. So friends, for today, this much only. If you have not watched the first part of the video, please watch the first part of the video, and every week I will be giving you one or two parts of the Scratch tutorial until it finishes. So if you feel that the video is very interesting and it is very helpful, hit the like button under the video and subscribe my channel Bart1 Boss for more programming and coding videos like this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.